Okay, children, I'm going to model for you how I would make a candy cane. Certainly, there's probably different ways of doing it, but I'm going to go ahead and give you what I consider to be one of the easier ways to do it. I'm going to go a 2D sketch here, and I'm going to sketch a circle representing the cross section of the candy cane. I don't really know the diameter of, I don't know, candy cane. I'm going to guess a third of an inch. If that's too large or too small, you let me know, but I'm going to go ahead and put 0.33 for my diameter, and I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to go ahead and extrude into that screen a distance of 4 inches. I'm guessing again at the dimensions of a candy cane, and I'd consider that to be a good start. I'm going to sketch again here. I'm going to start a 2D sketch. Um, choose this plane, and I'm really just going to copy this circle, and I'm also going to add a line. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that origin and go up to where I think it's the same, 0.33, and I'm also going to put a line in here. Now the line's going to serve as a revolution. So I'm guessing I'm just kind of eyeing it up here, and I'm going to put a line. Oops, 1 inch from that. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put approximately 0.71 inches. So I'm going to put a line here that I'm going to revolve around. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit finish sketch, and then hopefully you'll see why I just did that. I'm going to hit revolve. I'm going to choose this to revolve, and then I'm going to choose this to revolve around. Now notice it goes the whole way around, but I have some options here. I'm going to come up here where it says extents and full. I'm going to go to an angle, and I'm going to go to 180 degrees, and then recenter. And I think that kind of looks like a candy cane. Perhaps I could have went further down or further up. I suppose I would chamfer my edges. That is to say, round them over, and do the same thing there. I think that's what candy canes tend to look like in my book. And I think that is a modeled candy cane. Certainly, perhaps I would bring that down. I haven't looked at the candy cane in a while. But that's how I do it. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything, any help.